Hello children, hoping that you all are fine and ready to learn something new. In computer, we have completed our first chapter and its question answer I have given today in the form of PDF. Note down those question answers and learn. Now let's start our second chapter, that is managing files and folders. In this chapter, we are going to learn these topics: features of Windows 10, starting Windows, the Start button, this PC folder, File Explorer, file folder and their operations, using context menu, and what is a shortcut. So let's start learning.
Computer is a machine that cannot think on its own and requires instructions from us. The most important program of a computer is its operating system. It is a medium through which we can interact with the hardware using software. It controls all the activities of a computer. There are various types of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Windows is a graphical user interface GUI, pronounced as GUI, between a computer and its user. It has been developed by Microsoft, the world's leading software company. Let me give you some interesting fact. Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft, he developed Windows for general-purpose computer systems in 1985. Let us discuss features of Windows 10 now. The first GUI version of Windows operating system was Windows 95. Since then, many versions of Windows have been released. The most popular versions of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Windows 10 operating system has become very popular because of its following features. Let me give you some interesting fact. Satya Nadella is an Indian-born American business executive, engineer and current Chief Executive Officer of Microsoft. He was appointed CEO on 4th February 2014. Attractive and easy to use. Windows 10 has a very attractive transparent look with blue highlighting features. It has a complete set of new pictures, themes, titles, and icons. The use of graphics make it quite interactive. It works the way we want and makes new things possible. Improved Start menu. The new Start menu of Windows 10 gives you quick access to apps and services. In the left pane, you can find File Explorer, Settings, and a list of the most used apps, Power option, etc. The All Apps option at the bottom of the left pane displays all the apps and programs. In the right pane, live tiles are displayed, which consists of various apps. Searching made easier with Cortana. Windows 10 has a refined and powerful search tool called Cortana. It allows you to search for information on the system or on the web directly. It can also be used to play music, video, set alarm and reminders, send email, give voice commands, etc. Windows 10 supports multiple desktops. Windows 10 has a new Task View button on the taskbar. This button provides the ability to open multiple desktops at the same time. You can create multiple desktops for different tasks so that only one related set of applications are visible in one desktop. There is no limit to the number of desktops that you can create. Window snapping. This feature assists you to work with multiple applications on the same screen. You can drag and drop a window to any corner of screen, thereby making space for other apps to be opened simultaneously. The new browser Edge. Microsoft Edge is the default browser of Windows 10. It allows you to write and highlight directly on the web pages. Cortana is an inbuilt feature of Microsoft Edge and helps you do the things faster. Windows Store. The Windows Store application provides you with all the kinds of paid and free apps, games, music, movies, etc. You can try to use an app before you buy it. Windows 10 opens these apps in multiple small windows on the desktop. Another fact to note is that Linux is also a very popular operating system software. It is available free of cost. The most popular versions of Linux are Red Hat, Mint, Fedora, Ubuntu. Okay, now let us find out how to start Windows. When we switch on a computer, Windows operating system starts loading into the computer's memory. Once the process is completed, the first screen that appears on the monitor is known as the desktop. It contains icons which are graphical images or symbols representing files or programs. Students note the fact that in Windows 7 File Explorer and this PC were referred as Windows Explorer and Computer respectively. Okay, let us learn about Start button now. This is probably the most used button on the Windows desktop. When we click on the Start button, a menu appears displaying the major options along with the live tiles. This is called the Start menu. It provides access to the main programs on a computer. Okay, let us talk about this PC folder. This PC folder displays the contents of the computer's hard disk, CD or DVD, or any other external storage media such as a pen drive. Using this PC icon, we can access and manage all the folders and files stored in a computer. It is useful for finding, organizing, moving, and copying files or folders in a computer. Double-clicking on this PC icon opens the folder as shown in the figure. Address bar displays the complete path of the selected file or folder. Back button. It lets you navigate to the previously opened folders without closing the current window. Forward button. After using the back button, you can use the forward button to again move to the current open window. Up button. It takes you one step up in the folder tree. Ribbon. It contains commands arranged in the form of tabs and groups used to work with files and folders. Navigation pane. It is the left pane that displays a list of drives and folders. Search box allows you to quickly search files or folders in the current folder. Right pane. It displays the contents of the folder that has been selected in the left pane.
Okay, children. Now solve the following questions. Question 1. Filling the blanks. A part. When we switch on a PC, the first screen that appears on a monitor is known as dash. B. The search tool dash can also used to play music and videos. Then C part. The dash option at the bottom of the left pane of the start menu displays all apps and programs. Question 2. State true or false. A part. In Windows 10, only one desktop can be opened at a time. B. An operating system controls all the activities of a computer. Then part C. Cortana is an inbuilt feature of Microsoft Edge. Next question 3. Multiple choice questions. Part A. Windows is a dash user interface, graphical, character, word. B. A dash is a collection of relevant files stored together on some storage device. First icon, second folder, third desktop.